Hazrat Abdulaziz bin Siyah has reported from Habib bin Thabit that he visited Abu Wail to ask about the chismatics. He said, while we were in the Siffin expedition, a man said, "Don't you see the people who are invited to Allah's book?" Thereupon Hazrat Ali said, "Yes," whereupon Sahel bin Hunayf said to that man, "You had better blame yourself, for we had witnessed the peace accord between the Prophet ﷺ and the polytheists at Hudaybiyah. We could then fight with them, if so was wished." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu thereupon also visited the Prophet ﷺ and submitted, "Aren't we right and they wrong? Aren't our martyrs in paradise and they are deceased in hell?" The Prophet ﷺ said, "Why not?" He then submitted, "Should we remain suppressed and return empty-handed unless Allah Jalla Jalaluhu issues a decree between us and them?" He ﷺ said, "O Ibn Khattab, I am Allah's apostle and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never let me lose." At this, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu returned in fury and visited Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu in that very restless state and said, "O Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, aren't we right and the polytheists wrong?" He said, "O Ibn Khattab, undoubtedly he is Allah's apostle and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never keep him at losing end." Thereupon chapter Al-Fatha was revealed. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4844.